Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Robin. Today I want to show you cheats to the Zero Sum 4. You here have options like unlimited health, unlimited ammo, as you can see it's working. You may set game speed. You have unlimited skill points. So you are a boss on the beginning game. No reload, unlimited ammo, and that's it. So I will show you program. This useless now. The program vmod. You have also Serious Sum 4, and as you can see you have unlimited skill points, one hit kills, unlimited gadget, no reload, unlimited ammo, unlimited shield, unlimited health. You need only play game, and you have cheats immediately. Okay, as you can see it's working in the game. It is beginning that I have all. And that's all what I wanted to show you. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and give me this. Oh, here. Oh, okay. So you may leave like and subscribe, share to others. Yes, I wanted this. Okay, that's all. See you next time. Bye bye. Okay.